I'm Vinod Raghothamarao. I'm the Director Consulting for Energy-Wide Perspectives for IHS Markit, Dubai. I think refining petrochemical integration is a quite interesting topic which have been talked by different operators and refineries and petrochemical workers across the globe and especially the Middle East. If you do think about the different drivers and challenges for such an initiative, we could probably broadly classify these main as the low refining margins, the availability of feedstock, the way to enhance their product availability and the cross functionality of the different products to move to a different premium chemicals are some of these, not to forget the demand and supply dynamics of diesel, gasoline, ethylene, polypropylene and so on and so forth. So these major factors are the drivers and challenges which propel the integration of the refining petrochemicals across the globe and especially in the Middle East. From our consulting experience working across the globe and the Middle East, we have definitely seen numerous benefits in such an integration. Some of them would be definitely assetizing the new and the existing assets based on low capex, integrating the different refining petrochemicals products into a single stream, helping them increase the margins on the different refining products and the availability of feedstock as a single sourcing. And also not to forget, you could tap into low storage costs, reduce transportation costs. Also good for like a single benefit would be transportation and benefits in terms of feeding the feedstock or for different chemical refining and petrochemical producers. So these benefits definitely would not stem for all the projects, but the majority of the refining petrochemical integrated projects would definitely can capture the synergies from these projects. So probably typically when one takes into the need to integrate, a lot of these drivers and challenges and the benefits which have to be analyzed on a case by case or a project by basis before embarking on such a venture. But one lesson which probably the petrochemical refining producer can learn is how you could able to get the maximum out of these integration, because not always all these benefits and the drivers challenges would hold true for every company. So in order to do this kind of a synergistic assessment, every producer and refiner should definitely have a top-down approach, work dissecting towards what is it in for them to achieve such an integration. Once they have this clear picture and idea of what they're going to achieve, then they can easily target the different integration of these two, refining and petrochemical, and work towards achieving this synergistic beneficial benefits, I would say. So this, I think, to summarize, would be the crux on how these companies would go forward trying to integrate the refining and petrochemicals and the way to come. And definitely, I think this is probably the next new trend which probably everyone should definitely capitalize on that to reap the better benefits, having a synergistic determination and also mutual agreement between these to help them achieve these benefits.